Hello my friends, Tommy G here again, and we're going to be going diving into the blogging with our tutorial training that we've been doing. This is going to be episode 3, and I'm here on my site. My login button is down here, so I'm going to go ahead and get in here, get some money. Alright, so here we are, back office, and as we know, if we want to start blogging, we're going to hit the big green button. All right, we are going to now.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Tony Rush here, calling in from my.
Boom. All right, so now we want to start writing our blog post. Okay, so it's just simply post, add new, and look, this is where we're going to kind of give you a little anatomy of this. Setup for writing your blog post. All right, your title here, whatever you put there is it's going to be tied to H1 heading. You want to make sure that your keyword is in this title. This looks just like a typical WordPress setup here. All right, it's going to let you do a lot of good editing. If you hit this little guy, it's going to so if it looks like this, it's just simply this little extra button right there. Okay, at first this would freak me out whenever I didn't realize that, so it is a little common deal. Whenever you want to change your H tags, your H123 codes, you'll learn more about these in the training whenever you dive into the products. All right, so I'm not going to spend too much time on those. And your SEO score, you want to be shooting right here to get up towards 70-80%, ideally over 80. All right. This is just a quick little intro because I'm not going to teach you too much on this, because once you go through the products, they do a good job of running through the blogs. All right. More importantly, what I want to kind of get to now is pages, because this is going to be a little bit of customization that a lot of us want. Once you make a page, okay, any page that you make, you can then turn into one of those tabs on your blog, which I'll show you when we get there. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and add new. This is a page going to be on my tabs. I like blogging. All right, so I'm going to publish. All right, so now I just made a page. And then now if I go under appearance, menus, or you see there's another, the other way is right over here. All right, so menus, now you'll see under here we got pages. So if I click this page that I want, this is a page going to be on my tabs. This is the one that we just created. We want to add it to the menu. All right, so now we're up here. All right, now where this is we will, we'll just say if you want to visit your site, you just come up here, visit site. See, all right, I always do this, so this is a good little tutorial thing. So I want to stay on page because it's letting me know that I changed something, but I didn't save it. All right, always make sure you save it, and you can see that happens often because they have the little message to let you know. So all right, now that I saved it, we're going to go to visit the site, and as you can see, I have now added this onto it. All right, I've added some other ones. I have my Life Fit Mentality brand. You might have a brand of your own, so now if people go here, then I get to bring them to my capture page that I've made for one of my products. You might have a other primary or other business or something like that you might want to direct them to. All right, so that's how we're going to use that. Now let's get back into our menu. I want to show you one other thing. One other thing before we go, okay, then we're going to wrap this one up. This can be moved around. You saw how it was on the bottom. I can move it around, and if I have it staggered, see how this is staggered or flush? If I stagger it and save it, visit the site because I saved it already. See how it's underneath here? All right, it makes it all funky. So if you get looking this funky, just make sure you might have logged it, put it up there a little crooked. So just a little FYI, and it's a quick fix. I'm just gonna be deleting that one on there. But I hope that this was a good little intro to show you how you're going to be changing your how to add a page, and as well as how to add a different tab or a different website to your Empower Network blog. So this is Tommy signing out. Until next time.